Today on PowerNation Daily, a Grand Cherokee Trackhawk that puts out almost 1,000 horsepower. Honda is determined to teach the next generation how to drive a stick. The 2019 Chevy Corvette ZR1 hit 212 miles per hour. Roush unveiled its F-250 Ford Super Duty. Amazon will now deliver items to the trunk of your car. So pull up a chair. This is PowerNation Daily. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to the show. Be sure to stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com. But now we got some stuff to talk about, so let's get with it. Check this out. It's a high horsepower Jeep. And when I say high horsepower, I'm talking a lot of horsepower. We just told you about the Challenger Demon that Hennessy built, but now there is another FCA vehicle putting out some serious horsepower. The Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk houses a 4.5 liter supercharger, high flow injectors, long tube headers, and an upgraded fuel pump to put out, get this, 988 horsepower, 861 pound-feet of torque at the crank. Those are some good numbers. Road and Track reports that the all-wheel drive was disabled for the dyno test, but who really cares? That's a lot of horsepower, and I probably wouldn't put in four-wheel drive anyways unless I was going muddy. What do you think about that? Would you buy it? It's a dying skill that a lot of people actually don't know how to do. Shifting a car manually. Knowing how to use a stick is something that Honda wants to keep alive, and they're taking it upon themselves to teach the next generation. As more cars become automatics, fewer and fewer drivers need to learn how to drive a manual. But Honda says, hold up, we're gonna do something about it, and we're gonna hold an event called Shifting Gears, and that's exactly what they're doing. It's where they show people how to drive manual transmissions. It's in California's San Gabriel Mountains, and I think it's a pretty good idea. There were 16 cars, and people were able to hop in and learn how to drive in closed lots, or if you're more experienced and you want to burn out, they let you go up some mountain roads. Just joking about the burning out part. But people had several cars to choose from, including the Civic Type R or the S2000 CR. Honda is one of the last manufacturers that is committed to sticking with the manual transmission, and for that, I applaud you guys. My question for you is, what do you think about it? Are manuals a thing of the past, or do we need to keep them around? So Chevy wasn't messing around when they made the Corvette ZR1 in 2019. This thing is fast, I mean real fast. It hit an average speed of 212 miles per hour on a test track in Germany, and Chevy reports that it's fast enough to make it the fastest production Corvette ever. It seems like every new Corvette's the fastest one ever, but this one really, really is. It puts out 100 more horsepower than the Z06 with 755 horsepower, 715 pound-feet of torque, and it will be available at dealerships this spring. But Motor Trend reports that you better hurry up and you better act fast because there's only going to be about 2,000 or 3,000 made. So are you going to buy one? Let us know. Roush has released a F-250 Super Duty in 2018, and this truck is aggressive. Roush's first break into the Super Duty market is this thing. It has an upgraded suspension of 1.5 inches, bigger 20-inch wheels along with a new grille and a bumper cover to make it look a little bit better. They kept Ford's 18,500 pound towing capacity, which is nice. It also has the factory warranty. If you want this thing, it's going to cost you about $13,800 above the base price of an F-250. Personally, I like it. So not long ago, Amazon announced they would be delivering straight to your kitchen. Kind of creepy. Now General Motors and Volvo are teaming up to take it one step farther and offer customers in-vehicle delivery. Yeah, in-vehicle delivery. So in case you don't want it delivered to your home, you can now have it brought directly to your car, and you don't even have to be there. The service is available to 37 cities on more than 7 million 2015 or newer Chevrolet, Buick, Cadillac, and GMC vehicles, and it's free for Amazon Prime members who have an active OnStar account. The service is called Amazon Key in Car and notifies customers when the delivery is about to happen. It also lets them know when it's completed and when the car is safely locked again. All deliveries have to be made when the car is parked and in a public area, so don't expect to have this delivered to your car when you're driving down the freeway. The question is, do you think Amazon is being innovative or going too far? This sounds creepy, but I'd probably do it. Let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see and stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you down the road.